¿Qué pasa, mi gente? Les saluda Bobadilla Adventures. Aquí estamos relax. What is up, guys? Bobadilla Adventures here. Ta-da! How you guys doing today? Today I am trying my new phone, Motorola G something. I'll put it down here below. And it records 4K front camera and rear camera. So I will be taking some pictures and video to show you guys how it really works and how good it looks. So I'm here in Central Phoenix, and what else to start and show you guys something really beautiful with the buildings right there. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So I'm here in Central Phoenix, and I will be taking some badass pictures and video for you guys to show you how it really works and how it looks, the phone. I might compare it to the iPhone 12 because this one just came out. So we'll see. I'm gonna have to find out. And let's go. Alright guys, something that I just noticed on this phone is that it has manual focus. You can work it on for macro and anything like a regular camera. So it is pretty neat. I just noticed that, and it's awesome because you can control all the settings literally. ISO, f-stop, shutter speed. Alright guys, one thing I did notice just right now, which I have like almost a month with the phone. Alright, let me show you real quick. Check this out. No, not right here. Right here, look at this. I got the options. I do have the option here too in the front camera. Hello, I didn't see that coming. So, alright, we have the RAW, JPEG, RAW, and RAW JPEG on both sides, front camera and rear. That is amazing. I just noticed that. Isn't that so cool? Now, like you guys saw, on the rear camera, it has the same option. That is even amazing, even better. So look at this building. Look at this building right here behind me. Isn't that amazing? This lady was telling me that it's really old. So let me show you the pictures I got. It looks amazing. I love it. Back to, look at this. You have even manual control on the selfie camera. Not just the rear camera, but the front camera, the selfie. It is amazing. Let me show you guys exactly where I'm at. Alright? we have the autofocus. We got auto, manual. There. We got Kelvins. You can control that as well. That's pretty neat, huh? We got the auto, which is the shutter speed. Cool, huh? Right now I was using it in auto. We got the ISO, we can control it. Alright. Right now it's not that bad. Right there. And we got this one. I forgot the light. Something, I forgot the name of it. But check this out. It's just amazing. You get the full settings. As you guys can see, slow motion. We got slow motion. We got portraits for pictures, cutouts, macro, photo colors, night vision, cinematograph, panoramic, live filter. That's for pictures, and for video we got macro, slow motion, templates, oh no, time lapse, I'm sorry, and AR stickers. Isn't that amazing? And the best thing is that, like I told you guys, is you can use RAW alone, JPEGs alone, or both at the same time. You got your flashlight. You got for video 4K. Check this out. Isn't this amazing? Look at this. You got the zoom in. Look at that. I mean, it's not that bad, I guess. But yeah. There. What do you guys think? Let's go take a picture. Oh, right here. Check this out. Put it at maybe. Oh, we got people. Let's go right here. Now, I started recording. I want pictures. Isn't that pretty cool? And another thing, guys. Alright, you go to pictures here. And you can use your favorite app to fix your pictures. So, but anyways, let's go back to the lens. Just look at this place. I'll put the link down below where it is right now. Look at this. Let's get the bamboo. Bamboo. Right there. Snap. Alright. It's kind of dark. Let's go. Let's go. Right there. Let's probably get closer. Boom, baby. And check this out. You're watching the picture raw, alright? It's ready for you to fix the colors, edit it in your favorite application. Look at that. I mean, isn't that neat? I think it looks like, yeah, it's out of focus. Let's see. Let's do out of focus and snap another one again. Ready? There. Let's take another one. Probably right here. Let's do a slow motion shot right here. Or nothing at all. Alright guys, what do you guys think about this new Motorola phone? On the pictures, they're gonna come out with the logo right there. Because I'll put it either way, down here in the link, down below. Leave your comments, let me know what you guys think about the video, the pictures, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And stay tuned, hit like, subscribe, share, and tell your friends about this. For you beginners, I will recommend you this phone because it's nice. And thanks for watching this video again, and I'll see you in the next videos. Go ahead and remember, keep dreaming, dreams come true. Peace.